Today, I'm going to teach you how to block days from your Calendly calendar and availability. This is incredibly useful when you need to prevent people from booking meetings during your vacation, personal time, or any period when you're simply unavailable. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Calendly account to access all your scheduling settings. After logging in, you'll land on the Calendly homepage. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for and click on Availability. This section is where you control when people can and cannot book time with you, making it the perfect place to block out specific dates. Once you're in the Availability section, you'll notice an option called Date-Specific Hours. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Hours. Go ahead and click on Hours to open up the date-specific availability settings. This feature allows you to override your regular availability for particular dates, which is exactly what we need to block off days. Now comes the part where you select the specific days you want to block. For example, let's say you want to block February 21st to 28th. Click on the date selector and choose your desired date range. You can select a single day or a range of consecutive days depending on how long you need to be unavailable. After selecting your dates, look at the bottom of the screen where you'll see a section asking what hours are you available. Here's the key step. Click the X icon next to the time slots. This action removes all available hours for those selected days. Once you've cleared the hours, click Apply to save your changes. Give it a moment to process and update your availability settings. Now your calendar will reflect that you are unavailable on those days. Anyone trying to book a meeting with you during February 21st to 28th won't see any available time slots, effectively blocking them from scheduling during that period. To verify that your changes have taken effect, click on Calendar at the top of the page. This will switch your view to a calendar layout where you can visually see your availability across different dates. When you look at the calendar view, you'll notice that February 21st to 28th now shows as unavailable. These dates will appear blocked or grayed out, confirming that no one can book meetings with you during this time. And that's it. You've successfully blocked specific days from your Calendly calendar, giving you full control over when people can schedule time with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.